Hello, children. I hope you all are doing well and keeping good. Today we will be doing chapter 7, the United Nations. And the test skills are birth of United Nations, India and the United Nations, organs and agencies of United Nations. And the first question is, the full form of UN is dash A. Union Nations, Union Nationals, United Nations and United Nationals. And the correct option is C. United Nations. Number 2. When was the UN established? A. 1954, B. 1945, C. 1919, D. 1930, and the correct option is B. 1945. The United Nations UN was founded on 24th October 1945 after the end of the Second World War. It was started to promote peace and cooperation among the countries of the world. Number 3. Which of the following is not an agency of the UN? A. The World Health Organization, B. the Food and Cultural Organization, C. the International Labour Organization, D. International Court Justice. And the correct option is D. International Court of Justice is one of the organs of the UN, not agencies. Number 4. When the United Nations Day celebrated every year? A. 24th October, 26th October, 25th October and 27th October, and the correct option is A. The United Nation was established on 24th October 1945, which is celebrated as the United Nations Day. Number 5. The organization whose logo is shown in the given picture works A. for children rights, their development, protection and survival, B. towards removing hunger from the world, C. to look after public health on an international level, D. to promote opportunities to men and women in obtaining work. And the correct option is C. to look after public health on an international level. The logo shown in the given picture is of WHO. Number 6. The Security Council has 15 members, 5 of which are permanent. 5 of the following is not among those 5. The options are A. France, B. China, C. Russia, D. India. And the correct option is D. Among the 15 members of Security Council, 5 are permanent, that is China, France, Russia, United States and USA. Number 7. Which Indian woman was elected as the first woman president of UN General Assembly? A. Indira Gandhi, B. Sarojini Naidu, C. Suchita Kripalani, D. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. And the correct option is D. In 1953, Vijayalakshmi Pandit became the first woman to be elected as the President of UN General Assembly. Number 8. How many judges are there in the International Court of Justice? A. 5, B. 10, C. 15, D. 20, and the correct option is C. Number 9. Which of the following statement is incorrect? WHO helped eradicate smallpox and helps when there is an outbreak of an epidemic. B. The first Secretary General of UN was Ban Ki-moon. C. Security Council held its first session in 1946. D. The First World War broke out in 1914 and lasted until 1918. And the correct option is B. The first Secretary General of the UN was Taigif Lee. Number 10. Where is the headquarters of UNICEF located? It is UNICEF. And the options are Paris, New York, Sydney, Peru. And the correct option is B. It's New York. 11. In the General Assembly, each member has dash votes. 1, 2, 3 and no. And the correct option is A. It is 1. Number 12. The Trusteeship Council was established in 1974, 1974, 1950 and 1945. And the correct option is 1945. Number 13. The League of Nations was formed to prevent A. Formation of UN natural calamities like flood, C. Any future wars after the First World War, D. Climate change. And the correct option is C. The League of Nations was formed after the First World War to stop any such war in future. Number 14. Study the given relationship and the fill in the blank with the correct option. Security Council, International Peace and Security. The Secretariat dash. A. Makes destructive weapons. B. Looks after the policies and programs laid down by other organs of UN. Supplies food to poor countries. Looks after issues such as human rights, equality of women and regulation of trade. And the correct option is P. looks after the policies, program laid down by other organs of the UN. Number 15. Which of the following is not an official language of the UN? There are 4 options: A, B, C and D. It's English, English, Japanese, Chinese and Spanish. And the correct option is B. The UN has 6 official languages: English, French, Russian, Spanish, Chinese and Arabic. Number 16. Select the correct statement. UNICEF was established in year 1920. WHO was formed in 1945. UNESCO was set up in 1948. D. None of these. And the correct option is D. None of these. UNICEF was established in the year 1946. WHO was formed in 1948. UNESCO was set up in 1945. Number 17. Dash helps in running Anganwadi programs in rural India. UNICEF, ILO, FAO and WHO. And the correct option is UNICEF. It is A. UNICEF. Number 18. How many countries are the members of the UN? A. 191, B. 192, C. 193, D. 194. And the correct option is 193, that is C. Number 19. Where were the atomic bombs dropped during the Second World War? A. Hiroshima, B. Nagasaki, C. Pokhran, D. both A and B. And the correct option is D. USA is in retaliation to the attack by Japan on Pearl Harbor, dropped atomic bombs on 2 very beautiful cities of Japan named Hiroshima and Nagasaki. This led to destruction on an unparalleled scale. Number 20. Which of the following is not a function of FAO? A. Helps to eliminate hunger, food insecurity and malnutrition. B. Helps poor nation increase their food production by educating them on methods to improve agriculture. C. Helps to make agriculture, forestry and fishery more productive. D. None of these. And the correct option is D. Number 21. Select the option that cannot be found in the given grid. A. Organization that functions to provide education to all over the world. B. Organ of the UN responsible for maintaining peace and security. C. Where headquarters of WHO is located. City where headquarters of UNESCO is located. And the correct option is B. A is UNESCO, UNESCO. B is Security Council. C is Geneva. And D is Paris. Okay. So the correct option is B. Number 22. Read the given statement and select the option that correctly identifies true and false ones. 1. The 5 permanent members of Security Council have veto power. The motto of FAO is "Let there be bread." Number 3. To promote good relations among the countries of the world on the principle of equal right is one of the objectives of United Nations. 4. Antonio Guterres coined them termed United Nations. And the correct answer is C. The term United Nation was coined by the US President Franklin D. Roosevelt. Number 23. Match the columns and select the correct option. Agencies and headquarters: UNESCO, UNICEF, WHO, FAO, Geneva, Rome, Paris and New York. And the correct option is B. A. UNESCO, Paris. B. UNICEF, New York. C. WHO, Geneva. And FAO, Rome. Number 24. Refer to the given Venn diagram and select the correct options regarding it. Agencies of the UN: headquarters in New York, organ of UN. ZXY. A, B and C, D are having the options of UNICEF, General Assembly, WHO, International Court of Justice, FAO, ILO, Trusteeship Council, UNESCO, UNICEF, International Court Justice, ILO. And the correct option is A. That is UNICEF, General Assembly, WHO. UNICEF X is an agency of the UN whose headquarters is located in New York. WHOZ is an agency of the UN whose headquarters is located in Geneva. General Assembly is an organ of the UN whose headquarters is located in New York. Question number 25. The Second World War took place in dash, between dash and dash. It lasted for dash years. And the options are A 1914, France, Germany and 5. B 1945, Japan, China 2. C 1920, USA, China 3. D 1939, USA, Japan 6. And the correct option is D. The Second World War took place in 1939 between USA and Japan. It lasted for 6 years. Okay children, so we come to an end of our chapter 7. Thank you very much. Take care, be safe and bye.